So I didn't want to give details, but I have to give these details that some Burger King sent some faggot shit. Hmm? Some Burger King. But that Burger King is accusing me of fucking his wife and daughter. So these are small things in life. Okay, be happy, Burger King. I didn't fuck your wife and daughter. So, so the matter is, today I've been working. I got two subjects. One was the Mayan, and one was the Mayan, ancient Mayan, and one was the God. And I did many. In rehab, I must have done at least 500 sketches. Whichever places I went, I used to do sketches. More than that, I used to tell subjects sit in front of me and I used to make sketches. But in return, I used to dump my work on them as if. But in rehab, you have to wash your own clothes. There are very disciplined, they teach you discipline as well. So wash your clothes and all this. So I used to say, please, man, kapda do. And they were like, okay, let's do it. So I used to make their sketch and they used to. ऐसा हर कोई नहीं करेगा लेकिन किसी ने मान लिया तो मान लिया बाबा. So I have my survival kit. So that's how I will survive out. That with the 1 rupee of paper and a 10 rupee of pencil, I'll make my living, a meal at least. Okay, if I go out. Because immediately people are not waiting, oh, the star is coming, no, let's start working. It's not like that. There are some procedures. So you need heavy pockets, right? By the time. Stay is there, food is there. Plus if if you're drinking and all, look, many small things are there which you don't know. When you go out, then you come to know, no, we need that stuff, we need this stuff. So I've been living from a long time, so I know when you make a budget of 20k in a month, you'll need 40k. That's for sure. Mm. So I'm just working on my skills. That's it. So what I'll do, I'll take a snap like I took today. Okay, I'll take a snap and I'll make a sketch and I'll, what do you call it? Get paid. Paid, not laid. Burger King, not laid. Really fucking you think that I was pressing your wife's burgers and daughter's burgers? What the fuck is this, man? And all that you want to prove me as a faggot now? So what was the accusation then? Why did you steal it then? What was the reason? Let it be, these are small things in life. There are much bigger things. These are small things in life. So look, somehow they have to show that I'm some kind of a bad guy and that's why they stole from me. What bad guy? What did I do? I came here in my sickness. The injury was there. What did I do? I still today I go out, I ask guard, you stay when I till the time I am out. What bad did I do? Hmm? I be humble to everyone. I let everyone pass first. I don't say that let me go or let me pass. I never did this. I keep my head down. So I'm working on my survival kit, and someone wants to send me a what do you call it, the fact sheet. Then what was the accusation? Some Burger King sent me that. So listen, boy, man, whoever you are, Burger King, not interested in your burgers. Not interested. I'm interested in working. You should also be interested in working. You have the stolen files. You can do whatever you want, but Mr. Burger King, and do something. Not just what do you call it? You have it doing nothing, and what do you call it? Oh, that irritating me. Better you do something, na, Baba. Or is it a single fellow whose girl is up to me? Huh? So better than watching my love life, you go na, Baba, you ask your girl out. चलना, सीधे सीधे बोल देना, फिर अपन को तेरे साथ लव होने को मांगता, बोल दे सीधा सीधा, समझा क्या? मेरे पीछे क्या है ये? मुझे प्रूव करके क्या मिलेगा तुझे? कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. गो एंड टेल द गर्ल. हिम्मत नहीं तो मार एक क्वार्टर, दे दो पैसे, मार एक क्वार्टर और जा बोल. आगे क्या है मेरे को नहीं मालूम. गो एंड टेल व्हाई यू आर स्पॉइलिंग माय हैप्पीनेस. आई एम एंजॉयिंग माई सेल्फ. आई एम वर्किंग ऑन माई हार्ट स्किल. आई हैव टू गो, आई हैव टू वर्क. सो मेक सम स्टफ. सो आने वाले फ्यूचर में आई हैव टू व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट, सी माई सेल्फ सेटल्ड समवेयर और अनसेटल्ड. सेटल्ड, राइट? Already losses I have been suffering. So you tell your girl, Baba, don't come after me. Don't come after me proving something. You go tell your girl. सीधे सीधे बोल दो उनको क्या है, कैसा होता है तुमको अंदर से. मेरे को कैसा होता है वो मुझे मालूम है बाबा. लेकिन मैं 2 साल से जो शांत है वो मुझे मालूम है, 2 साल से ज़्यादा. तो मैं कुछ नहीं, ना नको नथी नेवर. Come on, it's life. You try to get this part. You want to see someone as a winner or a loser? Winner, right? You should win something. Achieve something in your life. I have achieved something before. Then I saw people. Then you feel like that you are worthy. Otherwise, what I have achieved now from past 2 years, more than 2 years, what did I do? Got that scam details and all this, worked on these scam details. I took knowledge, but what is the use of that knowledge? What use did I what use did I do of that knowledge? Nothing yet. When I use that knowledge into something to make something productive, then I will call myself, yes, those 2 years are not wasted. Otherwise, those years are wasted. So you have to see someone as a winner, not as a loser. और ज़्यादा डेस्परेट है तो बोल दे सीधा सीधा, पर मुझे मेरे पीछे मत लग.